Hello students of class 8. This is your English class and today I am here with the poem The Lost Dances of Grains by Juliet Wilson from your main course. In this video, I'll tell you what the poem is about and what the poet wants to convey to his readers through this poem. Before we start, let us know something about the poet Juliet Wilson. Children, Juliet Wilson, she was born in 1935 in Manchester and studied in Innsbruck, where she still lives. She has had over 50 poems published in UK poetry journals. She loves to write environmental poetry. This poem shows her concern over the destruction of the environment, how we humans are the cause of the destruction. She is even a curator. Children, before I tell you something about the poem, let's go through each and every line of it. Your fields are empty now, only your ghosts dance, while cranes of another kind dance cities into being. All that remain of you are a fading crackle of your energy and some grainy video footage that people in the new cities will watch to marvel at the wonders the world once held. It's such a small poem, but conveys a lot of meaning. Now, it reflects on the evolution from the endangered species to the development of cities through the construction cranes. What is construction cranes? It's a machine used for the construction purpose. Now, the poem is about something which is from the past and does not exist anymore in the present. It discusses about the expansion of human desire to expand the land, which diminished the forest. So, what we are doing? We are expanding the land just to fulfill our desire. And what we are doing? We are destroying the forest. The poet makes connection of the construction cranes to the birds as they resemble each other in lankiness. What is lankiness? Tall, thin. It's talking about the physique of construction cranes to the bird cranes. Got it? Now, the poet even describes how the construction of the city is destroying the birds and we only have those memories now left with us. It's only in our memory. Children, what is the purpose of the poet? The poet mainly focuses on doing something about the losses of natural world which is in the verge of extinction. We humans are ruining it for our desire. A poem like this challenges the readers to do something about the losses of the natural world. So children, it should be our concern, our duty to take care and protect the natural world created by the Almighty. So, that's all for today.